Hello, my name's Carrera from Porsche Newcastle, and today we'll have the Miami Blue 911 Carrera S. Moving on to the outside of the car. The car's Miami Blue. The alloy wheels are Carrera Classic wheels in 21 inch. With the engine being on the back of the car, your storage will be in the front. So, first impressions of being inside the car. It's filled with lots of technology, with comfort alongside it, giving it a nice feeling in the cabin. The steering wheel is a heated GT Sport steering wheel in leather. So the 911 has 4 seats. The front are 4-way electrical Sport Plus seats. The car has Bose surround sound system. The sunroof is electrical slide tilt glass sunroof. The car also has a privacy glass. The 911 has a sport chrono package, including the mode switch, with the sport exhaust system. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video. This car is for sale, so I'll leave a link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.